Shalom and welcome to GHMart. So, this is the Vendor Academy for GHMart, where you will be getting the tutorials on all of the features regarding the GHMart platform for vendors. And then, if there is any new feature or update that has been made concerning the platform that requires a tutorial, you would have it in the Vendor Academy. All right, good. So, getting started with GHMart. So you just signed up as a vendor on GHMart, and we are very excited to see you on our platform. We promise you the best of the best, okay? And I'm very, very sure and confident that you would really much enjoy using this platform. Okay. So now that you've signed up as a vendor, you have to first set up your vendor account, okay, before anything else. You have to first set up your vendor account. So to do that, you open this menu over here and then you tap on the my account. All right. So it will open up the accounts page, and this is where you set up everything on your storefront. All right. So over here is where we upload the store logo. Okay. Over here is where we upload the store logo, and then when you come over to this section over here, this is where you input your full name, okay, and then the store name, which is the name of the store, the name of your brand, your business. That is what will appear on your store page, and then your store tagline, and then your phone number. All right. And then after that, when you come over to this section, okay, when you come over to this section, this section is the social media links section, where you input the, okay, so if you have any social, okay, now it's meaning that it's not compulsory to fill all of these sections, but then it is recommended and advisable that you do. Okay, so you input your WhatsApp number here, your Facebook link, your Instagram link, your Twitter or X link, your YouTube link, your TikTok link over here, and then your Snapchat and Telegram link goes here. Okay, so if you have any of these platforms, you can input the link over there. And then over here is the payouts section, the payout settings. All right, good. Yes. So in the payout section, this is you input payment details. When people place an order on your store, where do you want the money to be sent to? This is where you set it up. All right. So whether you are using bank or you are using mobile money, okay, MTN, Telecel, 30 Go, and then some various other banks are also listed here, which you can use to set up your payment details. So you put it inside there, and then you put in your account name, and then your account number, okay, and then after that you tap on save or changes. All right. So that's basically it. This is the first step into getting started with your vendor dashboard. All right. So when you have done this, you are done setting up your account. Okay. You are done setting up your store. So what you can do now is you can go back to the dashboard, and in the dashboard, you would see this over here. Okay. This over here, when you tap on it, it will take you to the link, your store page, your storefront. Okay, yes, it will take you to your storefront, where you would see the logo that you uploaded, the tagline, and then the social icons, the social links that you input. All of them would be over here. Okay, as you can see, they are all over here. All of it is here. So that's basically it for this particular tutorial. So in the next tutorial video, we will be looking at how to add products to your vendor dashboard, how to add and how to edit products in your vendor dashboard. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial video. If you are watching it on YouTube, please do well to subscribe to this channel, okay, as we would be bringing you a lot of updates on this channel. Also do well to like the video if you haven't, okay. If it has been very beneficial to you, I suggest you like the video, okay, and then if there's anything, you can let us know through the comment section. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial. Shalom and bye.